Hey, what's up guys? This is a video about how to use Khan Academy to get the highest score possible on the Math GED. Before we jump into Khan Academy, I want to explain where I encourage people to focus most of their studying for the math test, and that is in middle school math. The foundation of the GED math test is middle school. Certainly you will see problems from the 9th, 10th, or even 11th grades, but having a solid understanding of middle school math is often enough for people to pass the GED. Okay, just a little bit of information here about Khan Academy. This is a free learning website that has courses broken down by content and grade level that contain practice questions, quizzes, and whole grade challenges. There's videos and there's hints tied to the different questions. You can create an account or you do not have to create an account. If you do, it will monitor your progress over time, which is a great way of tracking your readiness and your improvement for the GED. Please note, Pass the GED is not affiliated or endorsed by Khan Academy. All Khan Academy content is available for free at khanacademy.org. I'm going to recommend 4 ways to use Khan Academy, and the very first way is to take the 6th grade math course challenge. The first thing you want to do is go to khanacademy.org. And remember, you do not have to create an account, although I do recommend it, and you also do not have to donate. Sometimes there is a donation banner at the top here. So the first step is to go to courses, go down to 6th grade, and then off to the left here you have a course summary with all the different units that are in 6th grade. And at the bottom of this you have the course challenge. You can click it here in the lower left, and it also is at the very bottom on the right. So there are 30 questions in this course challenge, and I'm just purposely going to get this question wrong so you can see what happens. Check your answer and it tells you get it wrong. You can get help for a video or you can skip the question for now. If you choose to get help, you will have hints and a video. Once you complete the test, you will get a quick summary that looks like this. It shows a list of all the topics in 6th grade and your progress towards mastery. The course challenge will only hit on some of the topics. Once you close the window, a summary of your score achievement for each unit is off to the left, and these bars will get filled in as you progress. If you don't want to take the full 30 question test, you can also select the units of study within the 6th grade here. Here is the unit for ratios, rates, and percentages. Off to the left, you can see your mastery points for the skill here, and skills within the unit are underneath it. There is also a unit test if you want to focus on testing a particular topic. Within the unit, you have Khan instructional videos and also practice question. There is a progress bar off to the right for each of these skills. This can also be a great way to find a skill you need to work on and get many attempts to learn and practice the concepts. The second approach to using Khan Academy is to focus on one skill over the course of 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. These are the recommended skills that I would focus on. Each of these skills will likely be tested many times on the GED with hard and easy questions. Focusing on these skills can have a real positive impact on your score. Let's look at equations from 6th grade through Algebra 1. I would start with 6th grade and master those skills and then go on to 7th grade. This will give you a wide range of skills that will benefit you on the test. The third approach is to search by GED skill keyword. Here I've listed quite a few of them. This is not a comprehensive list, but this is enough to get started. At the top of Khan Academy, there is a search bar. Let's type in fractions, and we see adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. And then I like to select exercises because that's where you will find the practice questions. If you look in the upper left-hand corner of the exercise, you can see its level. So this happens to be a 5th grade concept, but this is a frequently tested skill. In addition to the skills mentioned, I always like to call out a few skills which are easier to grasp but aren't that difficult, and I think are nearly always on the test in one form or another. These are 3 of those skills: find a missing value given the mean, the absolute value to find a distance, and undefined or dividing by 0. You can actually put these terms straight into the search bar of Khan Academy and find a practice set that comes up for these particular questions, which will be very valuable on the test. The 4th approach is to search for skills in Khan Academy from those that are listed on your GED Ready report. You want to go to GED.com and then go to Study, and then where it says Practice Test. Now, the practice test does cost $6. But you can take them for all subjects, or you can buy 4 of them at once, and I believe you get a little bit of a discount. Once you take the test and you get your results, you'll get a report that looks something like this, and you will be able to see the concepts that you did not master or most likely get correct on the test. So you can look here for keywords, like this one says compare functions that are shown in different ways, such as tables, graphs, descriptions, and equations. I would put in compare functions and see what you get. Maybe you get some that have to do with tables and graphs. It's a good place to start and really target the areas that the test has indicated that you haven't done well on so far. Okay, in summary, there's 4 different ways that you can use Khan Academy to study for the GED math test. I do recommend taking the 6th grade course challenge. You can also focus on one skill across 6th through 8th grade. You can search by a GED level skill set that I linked in the video, or you can use your Ready report to target specifically what the GED says you need to work on. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you found it beneficial. And if you want, follow us on Facebook and Instagram to get daily questions and support in your feed. And also, don't forget to check out these other videos over here. Thanks so much.